In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your PHP version in WP Engine for 2025. Updating your PHP version is an essential task to ensure that your WordPress site is running optimally with improved performance and security features. Let's get started with the step-by-step process. First, you'll need to log in to your WP Engine dashboard. Open your browser and head to the WP Engine login page. Enter your credentials to gain access to the dashboard. Once you're in, your next step is to navigate to your WP Engine settings. You'll find an option that says go to mywpengine.com. Click on it to proceed to the main area where you can manage various aspects of your site. Now that you're in the main management area, it's time to access the PHP Engine settings. Look for the menu that displays options like Sites, Environment, and Utilities. From there, you want to delve into PHP Engine. This menu is your gateway to altering the PHP version, crucial for keeping your site compatible and fast. Click on Sites, then follow the sequence Environment, Utilities, PHP Engine. Each click should lead you closer to the PHP settings. When you arrive at the PHP Engine section, you'll be presented with the current PHP version your site is using. There, you'll find a list of available PHP versions that you can switch to. Select the PHP version you wish to change to. For instance, you might want to upgrade to version 8.2. WP Engine provides recommendations and checks compatibility, so even if you're not sure, you can rely on their advice about which version would work best for your site. After selecting your desired PHP version, you need to apply the changes. Find the button labeled Apply Change and click on it. This step is crucial, as it begins the process of transitioning your site to the new PHP environment. Before you wrap up, WP Engine often requires confirmation via a prompt that might say something like Switch PHP version. Make sure you click to confirm and finalize the update. Once confirmed, WP Engine takes over and updates PHP automatically. The system will handle most of this process in the background, minimizing downtime and manual intervention. With everything now set to the latest PHP version, your next step is to test your site. Visit your site and navigate through its typical features to ensure all systems are functioning correctly. Keep an eye out for any anomalies or issues. Finally, don't forget to check the compatibility of plugins and themes. Updating your PHP version might affect these aspects of your site, so ensure they are working smoothly without any glitches. If any plugin or theme doesn't work as expected, check for updates or reach out to the developer for support. And there you have it, a streamlined process to update your PHP version in WP Engine, keeping your WordPress site running smoothly and securely. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more useful tutorials.